Okay, here we've got SourSop. A few people have sent me a few emails about this, about how to eat it and so on. So, also known as a cure for cancer. I'm not sure how true that is, but it is a really, really wonderful, wonderful fruit. So I'm just going to show you how to cut it open and how to eat it. So what you want to do is, don't ever get them hard. You want them really nice and soft so they feel spongy. That's when they're ready to eat, when they feel nice and spongy there. Let's grab a knife. Okay, so really simply, like I say, get a nice, soft, juicy one, nice and pressed. Grab a knife and just go all the way through. And there we've got this lovely white flesh with these seeds. The seeds are not particularly edible, but all the fruit. I mean, you can, I don't know if you can see that root there, can come out. Some people eat it, some people don't. Depends how soft it is. You can cut some of that out and discard that if you wanted. And then you literally just spoon it out, the whole thing out. It's a little bit messy, a little bit fibrous. Let me just break it open like that for you. Yeah, don't eat the seeds. Get those out, discard them, and then grab a little bit of it. A little juice there. And it's got an amazing, amazing flavour. A bit like sort of raisins or kind of dried fruit, with a little bit of sourness to it. But absolutely recommended for a cure for cancer. I mean, don't take my word for that, but that's what people say. But it is a really delicious, lovely fruit. That is SourSop. Really, really delicious.